So today I thought I'd do a really quick walk around our Y62 ute chop. These are a pretty popular thing. This is actually our company car. I thought we should have one for a bit, get a bit of opinion on weights and all that sort of stuff. So this one's going to have one of OnTrack's GVMs in it. We can do it with multiple different GVMs. So DMW do the biggest one. So it depends what you're after. If you're after airbag delete, you've got to go OnTrack. If you want the billet arms OnTrack, there's pluses and minuses with all that, and that's things we can discuss if we are doing the job. Important things, look, I think these are an awesome size car, an awesome balance. People get very funny about the tray length. Something to notice, that's a standard Nissan tow bar on it. We haven't gone past it. It's actually shorter than my other one that has a wheel carrier on it. If you park them side by side, my wheel hangs off the back, like further than this car. So it's actually shorter in total length than a standard wagon with one of our rear bars on it. So overhang's not a big deal. We fully laminate the chassis. So it's body off, laminate all down the dog leg, just to make sure, you know, it can't get hurt, I guess. They run 6 tray mounts. And this is also a super, super light tray. So this is one of our trays. We can also do them with other packages. We can get a DMW tray and canopy. These are all things we can discuss, you know, if you book the job in. We do the whole cab cut, everything from start to finish. They're a fully laser cut, brake pressed back panel with the full radiuses brake pressed on them. They're super slick, they have very minimal filler in them. We've really come a long way with that, with 3D scan the cab. Technology's let it come so far, so quite a pleasant thing. Everything works like standard. So car's still got parking sensors, reverse camera, even things like your you know, lane assist or blind spot, all still works like normal. It's bloody awesome. So look, I reckon these are an awesome package. I just thought we'd do a bit of a walk around. We do offer a full package, so like this would be what we would call a standard build. So bar sliders, the flares, you know, exhaust system, the whole lot. So it's a drive away. You know, this car's literally done 400 Ks. So we did this one brand new when it was straight from the dealer to a finished package like this, and we do a few in that configuration where the whole lot's just done at once. Same deal, you can do a GVM and all that, you can do it pre-rego, you can do the whole package, so when you pick it up, it's ready to use. So a couple of cool things with this one, obviously has our tray, it's got our cool boxes. These are aluminium sides, aluminium guards. It's actually a steel deck. It's fully folded. There's not a single bit of RHS in the whole car. These are tie points for your ratchet straps. Big drawer. Now the lights, this is our tray. So that's the configuration we do. We try to make it different, so it's a different light than what all the other big guys, you know, do. We wanted to make it unique to us. So that's the light setup we've come up with. This is actually one folded unit. This whole back panel is folded out of sheet metal, which is sick. Big aluminium drawer, it's huge. Fully sealed. It's in an aluminium box, so it's got a seal around it. I can run normal runners, so it's lovely to use, but you know, it's a sealed thing. Aluminium side boxes. So nice and huge, really usable. It's a folded headboard. We do a couple of different configurations in that, but if this tray is not for you, as I said, we do other tray options where we can do a full canopy or full whatever from a DMW. So that's something that can be discussed. Bar that, as I said, standard tow bar. You can have a peek inside. All finished off with the folds in the back, cabin vents. You know, can't see much of it once the tray's on, but it's radius corner, fully trimmed inside. Super neat finish in the door jamb, like you can't tell where anything's been chopped. All the trim work, it's all recarpeted, matching colours. Just really have come a long way, I think, in what we do. Super happy with it. But yeah, if you're interested, come and have a look. We've got one that's my daily now so we can show people. I think one of the coolest things on the whole thing is that it's got our billet handles off our rear bars for the tray sides. So I love that part.